Hello, you're welcome to solve with me this math problem here. We have a squared plus a over a plus 1 all squared minus 3 is equals to 0. Also in the question, we are told that a is a real number. So we are required to find the value of a given that a is a real number. So solution shall have a squared plus a over a plus 1 all squared. We take this negative 3 on the other side, so this will be equals to 3. Now next step is we distribute this squared to the numerator and denominator. So we have a squared plus a squared over a plus 1 all squared. This is equals to 3. Now since a squared is common here and here, we factor it out. So we shall have a squared into, here we shall be left with 1 plus, here it will be 1 over a plus 1 squared. This is equals to 3. Here the lowest common denominator, or the LCM, is the lowest common multiple is a plus 1 squared. So we shall have a squared into a plus 1 squared. This is the same as over 1. This divided by this is this. Then this a squared plus 1 squared times 1 gives us a plus 1 squared. Then mine plus this divided by this is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. This is equals to 3. So a squared, when you open these brackets or when you expand this, you get a squared plus 2a plus 1, then plus this 1 over a plus 1 squared. All this is equals to 3. So we have a squared into a squared plus 2a. 1 plus 1 is 2, so plus 2 over a plus 1 squared. This is equals to 3. As you can see, 2 is common here and here, so we factor it out. We shall have a squared into a squared plus 2 into a plus 1 all over a plus 1 squared. This is equals to 3. So let us distribute this amongst this and this. We shall have a squared into a squared over a plus 1 squared plus 2 into a plus 1 over a plus 1 squared. This is equals to 3. So this is a plus 1 and this is the same as a plus 1 into a plus 1. So one of them cancels with one of them and we are left with 1. So we have a squared into a squared over a plus 1 squared plus 2 over a plus 1. This is equals to 3. So now let us open this bracket. We shall have, when you multiply this and this, a squared and a squared, so we shall have a squared over a plus 1 squared plus, this will be 2a squared over a plus 1. This is equals to 3. This here is the same as a to power 4, which is also the same as a squared squared over a plus 1 squared plus 2a squared over a plus 1 is equals to 3. since it's squared here and it's squared here, we can put the square outside. We can say a squared over a plus 1, all this squared, plus 2a squared over a plus 1 is equals to 3. Now let y be equals to a squared over a plus 1. So this is y. So it will be y squared plus, also this is the same as 2 times a squared over a plus 1, which becomes y. 2y is equals to 3. So we bring this 3 this side. We shall have y squared plus 2y minus 3 is equals to 0. So we have y squared, 2y is the same as plus 3y minus y. So minus 3 is equals to 0. So we shall have y into, we factor it out, y plus 3 minus 1 here is common into y plus 3 is equals to 0. So y plus 3 is common. So we shall have y minus 1 into y plus 3. This is equals to 0. Therefore, y minus 1 is equals to 0 and y plus 3 is equals to 0. For this side, remember, this is y is equals to 1 and this side y is equals to 3. But y is equals to a squared over a plus 1. Also this side y is equals to a squared over a plus 1. So that implies that when we replace y with this, we shall have a squared over a plus 1 being equals to 1. So we make a squared the subject. This will be equals to a plus 1. So we take it this side, we shall have a squared minus a plus 1. So this is equation 1. So for this side, replace y with this, a squared over a plus 1 is equals to 3. This is negative 3. When it crosses negative 3. So we shall have a squared being equals to 3 into a plus 1. So a squared is 3a plus 3. This is negative 3. So minus 3, a minus 3. So when they cross and come this side, it will become a squared plus 3a plus 3 is equals to 0. This is equation 2. This one is equals to 0, equation 1. So we are going to solve both equations using the quadratic formula. Let us start with this side here. So a, for this case, a is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So a is equals to minus negative 1 plus or minus root of negative 1 squared times 4 times 1 times negative 1 over 2 times 1. So a is equals to 1 plus or minus 1 minus 1, this is minus 1 minus 4, no, positive, since negative times negative, so 1 plus 4 over 2. So a is equals to 1 plus or minus root of 5 over 2. So here we have two solutions for a. Now from this second one also, when it's a quadratic equation where a is 1, b is 3, and c is 3. When we use the discriminant method, This is the discriminant, the decrement. If we are to use the decrement method, so this is the decrement and this is the number of solutions. So if you have b squared minus 4ac, if it is greater, your solution for this is greater than 0, then that means you'll get a positive here and you get two real solutions. Okay, when you have b squared minus 4ac being equals to 0, here you'll have one real solution. But if you have b squared minus 4ac being less than 0, that means it's a negative, then you have no real solutions, no real solution. So let us calculate the value of b squared minus 4ac and see what we get from these, where a is 1, b is 3, and c is 3. Therefore, b is 3, so 3 squared minus 4 times 1 times c, which is 3. So we have 9 minus 4 times 1 times 3 is 12, which gives us an answer which is negative 3. So if we have a negative, we've said that means this here is less than 0. So we have no real solution. So there is no real solution for this side here, for the value of a. So our accepted solutions are these ones here. Remember, they say that a is a real number or a real solution. Therefore, our a1 is 1 plus root 5 over 2, and our value of a2 is 1 minus root 5 over 2. So these are the accepted values of a. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe if you haven't done so to this channel, because subscribing, you are not charged anything for doing so. So kindly, it's a humble request, please subscribe. And also, if you enjoyed this video, like it, comment on this video on the future kind of videos you'd like to see, and share it with your friends and family so that they also share on the fun. Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.